Hi, this is ZTE Blade A53 Pro and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So open first Google app, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings, then tap to the Google Assistant section and tap to Hey Google and Voice Match section. Here you'll see Hey Google switcher, just tap once on it and after that, here tap to next, read the description, click to yes I agree, tap to continue. And now we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. So if you want Assistant to recognize your voice, you should add your voice model, tap to voice model to click to retain voice model, and after that just repeat after the assistant, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.